All rise for His Honorable, the Great, I Am, Philosopher King.
Crown on my dome, lotus petal at my feet, sword sharpening, chalice overflowing. I drink tea, purple on my robe, smoke fire, spit heat. I embark again, cheers, got my back, knowing no defeat. Mind up supreme, world system's out of date. Too long it's been causing suffering, humanity can't wait. Can we catch a break before it's too late? Let's collaborate and create our own fate. Yeah, it's been a long time coming. Say long live the king, let's hit the ground running. Ha! Most of these politicians frontin'. Ones who isn't, they ain't accomplishing nothing. That's why they look into your highness. My philosophical system's the solution to this virus. Open up your eyelids and focus up your iris. My philosophical system's the solution to this virus. Not based on personal bias. Things will be decided with the guidance of real democracy and science.
Open entrance down, we refine it over time.
Let's create a better planet, better future, better time. Collective individualism, the synthesis of the social and agentic themes. A resource-based economy.
Let's pass around these memes so people know what it means. I'm breakdancing on these corpses' ashes. Ladies doing head spins,
Breaking these false idols in front of the true believers.
freeing them from dead ends.
Your whole world shaking, your heart breaking, your life taken away and replaced. Facing the deep places with patience and keep waiting. You're forgotten and forsaken. For goodness sake, you're waking up to the fact that it's fake and you're done faking. Now the world shakes and you're unshaken. Your life is yours, and now you're taking the reins.